Stormwater runoff has the potential to transfer pollutants to drainage courses and water bodies, causing damaging effects to water quality and aquatic ecosystems. MoDOT stormwater discharges are authorized by a Transportation Separate Storm Sewer System or TS4 permit issued by the Missouri Department of Natural Resources. Provisions of the Federal Clean Water Act and related state rules and regulations require a Municipal Separate Storm Sewer System, or MS4 permit, when the facility serves a population of 50,000 or more within an urbanized area or are located outside an urbanized area serving a jurisdiction with a population of at least 10,000 and a population density of 1,000 people per square mile or more. Furthermore, a municipal separate storm sewer means a conveyance or system of conveyances, including roads and highways with drainage systems, municipal streets, catch basins, curbs, gutters, ditches, paved or unpaved channels, or storm drains designated and utilized for routing of stormwater. MoDOT's TS4 permit is an individual permit drafted to fill this obligation to better fit the operations of a transportation organization. Land disturbances include activities that remove the root zone and leave soil in an erodible condition. Projects must be classified as either new development, redevelopment, or maintenance projects according to the scope of work involved. New development is defined as projects constructed where there was previously no facility. Redevelopment is defined as work on an existing facility which provides for an increased number of through lanes unless work can be accommodated without increasing the width of the existing pavement. Maintenance is defined as projects that do not meet the criteria of new or redevelopment. The district is required to determine and submit its land disturbance acres and project type in the Land Disturbance Stormwater section of the RES. If more than 1 acre of land disturbance will occur, then the district must comply with the land and disturbance permit requirements. If any coordination with the MS4 municipality was carried out, the district must indicate that on the RES as well. Post-construction best management practices, or BMPs, are required to be considered for projects classified as new development or redevelopment, disturb 1 acre or more of land, and are located inside the TS4 area. The Area-Wide Land Disturbance Permit Program is required for any project that will result in land disturbance activities. The Area-Wide Land Disturbance Program is for land disturbance projects performed by MoDOT or land disturbance projects under contract by MoDOT within a permitted site. This portion of the permit covers land disturbance activities across the entire state of Missouri. For the purposes of this permit, a permitted site is defined as, at a minimum, the area within a site boundary where work is performed or contracted by MoDOT within MoDOT's temporary or permanent right-of-way. The requirements of the Area-Wide Land Disturbance Permit ensure the design, installation, and maintenance of effective erosion and sediment controls minimize the discharge of pollutants by 1. Controlling stormwater volume and velocity within the site to minimize soil erosion and pollutant discharges. 2. Controlling stormwater discharges, including both peak flow rates and total stormwater volume, to minimize erosion at outlets and to minimize downstream channel and stream bank erosion and scour in the immediate vicinity of discharge points. 3. Minimizing the amount of soil exposed during construction activity. 4. Minimizing the disturbance of steep slopes. 5. Addressing factors such as the amount, frequency, intensity, and duration of precipitation, the nature of resulting stormwater runoff, and soil characteristics, including the range of soil particle size expected to be present on the site to minimize sediment discharges from the site. 6. Providing and maintaining natural buffers around surface waters. 7. Directing stormwater to vegetated areas to increase sediment removal and maximize stormwater infiltration and filtering unless infeasible. And 8. Minimizing soil compaction and, unless infeasible, preserve topsoil. Minimizing soil compaction or preserving topsoil is not required where the intended function of a specific area of the site dictates that it be compacted or the topsoil be disturbed or removed. The main requirement of a land disturbance permit is developing a Stormwater Pollution Prevention Plan, or SWIP. The SWIP must be a site-specific plan that indicates what best management practices, BMPs, will be used to protect the waters of the state from soil erosion and pollutant discharge. There are 10 conditions that are included in the coverage and restrictions of the area-wide land disturbance permit. These are detailed in the Missouri State Operating Permit issued by the Missouri Clean Water Commission.